Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Portmore and we are giving you an update on the expansion of Grange Lane in Portmore. Now, this project falls under the CAPEX program, where the government is going to be spending between 11 and 14 billion dollars to upgrade 6 main roads, 3 in Kingston, 3 in Portmore. And this road is one of the 3 in Portmore. Now, it is estimated, the road work is estimated to cost 900 million. It definitely is a major road project. And it's needed because Portmore is expanding. The amount of development taking place in Portmore, commercial, residential, call centers, plazas, everywhere you look. I mean, PriceSmart opened their second location in Jamaica, in Portmore. Before they went to Portmore before any other place in Jamaica outside of Kingston. Kingston was first. All the major chains have locations in Portmore, and it's still growing because they plan to build a city. As a matter of fact, Portmore is to become a parish. Alright, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's going on here on Grange Lane. The expansion of Grange Lane in Portmore into a dual carriageway aims to address both traffic congestion and water infrastructure issues. The project, which began in December 2023, is budgeted at over 900 million and is scheduled for completion by 2026. The construction will expand Grange Lane from Municipal Boulevard down to Augusta Drive, Independence City. As part of the project, workers are installing larger sewer pipes and water mains to resolve long-standing issues like water lockoffs, low water pressure, and flooding that causes effluent overflow into nearby communities. The Member of Parliament highlighted that the improvements would benefit the residents' local commerce and the broader development of Portmore, which is expected to become a parish. It's a win for the community, he stated, emphasizing the government's commitment to providing resources to support these developments. The project is also expected to reduce traffic congestion, making commuting easier for residents. Although some Portmore residents initially called for more urgent attention to heavily trafficked areas, it was explained that widening Grange Lane first would help alleviate traffic in those areas. So Grange Lane is actually so that's the end of the update article. So as you can see, the work has started on Grange Lane. Now, I'm not sure why they give completion dates on these projects, because we all know it's not going to finish. What date did they say? It's scheduled for completion by 2026. I mean, it will be completed, but it's not going to, we all know how these things work. And that 900 million is going to turn into billions before it's finished. But it is needed, and it's good that they have started the CAPEX road program, because this program has been on the books for quite some time now. So it's very good that they've started. And of course, you know, we'll give you updates every 2 weeks on this project, and so you guys can see what's going on. Alright guys, let us know what you think. And does anybody know who the contractor for this project is? If anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below, and we will be following up and letting you know who the contractor is, because I noticed the article didn't say China Harbour Engineering Company, which would we'll talk about that in another video. Alright guys, let us know what you think about this project. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.